This, guys, is all new Leapmotor Lafa5 Ultra, and it's not another hatchback. From the moment you lay your eye on this car, you would understand that here Leapmotor is clearly getting straight to the Tesla Model 3 crowd. First, the wing chaser gray interior matched with this Ultra seat belts. Sadly, they're also gray. I would like it to be orange or red, would give completely different vibe. The materials are really soft. Everything feels quite premium. And the seat is actually the quiet, interesting sport. For driver, you have massage, cooling, heating, and it's very grippy. So when you race, when you corner, you won't fly around. Really, really comfortable. Look at the space. I'm 193 and I can totally fit in here completely fine. Now let's talk a bit about engineering under the skin of it, because this is where this car shines. It is a Sino-European project. It is co-designed with Stellantis Group, and it has a perfectly balanced 50-50 weight distribution chassis. Lafa5 comes with the Qualcomm 8650 chip, paired with 11 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, a LiDAR, yes guys, LiDAR, and 3mm wave radars. I am Nick, and I will see you in the next review. Now guys, the part everybody is waiting, the pricing. The Lafa5 Ultra starts at only 118,800 RMB for 500 kilometer CLCT version, and topping out at 124,800 RMB for 600 kilometers variant. Guys, it is under $20,000 for a performance version of this car. What else do you want?